Good morning students and welcome back to our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to do revision for our unit test. So students, very carefully observe this all the problems and similar types of problems also you can do practice. Okay students, how it is possible, what is that, how can we find out the LCM, how can we find out the multiples, how can we find out the factors. In this chapter we are already you have learned, but you have to make it in practice. Okay students, so let us start that some important questions also I have given here also, and I practiced similarly. You have can do other problems also. Students, write all multiples of 12 up to 200. Same like write down multiples of 11, write the multiple of 10, write the multiple of 5. As possible you can make it. So one number I have given here. Write all multiples of 12 up to 200. That means 12 multiples of what are that you have write, but it should be less than 200. That means up to 12 that multiples you have to write. So students, write on that. Solution you can do. So first 12 into 1, it is a 12. 12 into 2, 24. 12 into 3, 36. 12 into 4, 48. 12 into 5, 60. 12 into 6, 72. 12 into 7, 84. 12 into 8, 96. 12 into 9, 108. 1200 into 10, 120. Okay friends, now what you have to do, now also it is very less. Now we can take 12 into 11. 12 into 11, you can take 132. Okay, 132. 12 into 12, 144. 12 into 13, 156. 12 into 14, 168. 12 into 15, 180. Okay, 12 into 16, 192. Okay, this is also less than. So again again more extra we have take. 12 into 17. This is, it is coming more, so we can up to here we can stop. Okay, so now hence what will write it? Hence the multiples are what are that? 12. I can write in blue open of difference. That is what are the multiples are there? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144, 156, 168, 180 and 192. These are the multiples of 12 up to 200. That means 200 less is there all the multiples are. Okay friends, same like it will make question will ask for 10, may will ask 11, may it will ask for 13, may it will ask for 15, like that also may it will ask. Okay friends, you have to do like this way. Okay friends, now second question friends, you see, find all the factors of the following numbers. You have to find out these factors. Okay, so 144 factors, what are that? So students, 144 you can write multiplication like this way also, you can write other way also, you can divide and you can do it. Okay, so students, first of all check 144. One is one factor of every number, so 1 is a factor. So 2 divisibilities, yes 2. 3 it is not possible. 4 4 8 1, yes possible, so 3 is divisible, so 3 is a factor. Next 4 also it is divisible, so 4 is a factor. 5 not divisible. 6 2 and 3 means 6 divisible, so 6 is a factor. So 7 not 8 8 not factor. 9. 9 means it is all adding means 9. So 9 is a factor of this. 10. 0 not there. 11 not there. Okay. Next 12. 12 is also one factor. Okay. If you will do like this, you will take that more time. So by that way you have to find out. What students, what you have to do first, you can do multiplication, it is easy for you. Okay. What you have to do, first of all, 1 into 144 is equal, this you can write. You can write like this way, it is very easy for you. 2 into 72, 3 into 48, 4 into 4, it is divisible also friends. 4 for the 16, 4 3 is 12, 12, 24, 4 6 is. Okay. So next 5 not possible, 6 also is there. 6 into 6 2 is 12, 24, 6 24. Okay. So now we can do 7 not, 8 not, 9 also is there. 9 into 16 is equal to also. Next 10 not possible, 11 not, 12 9 is 12, 12 is. Next 13, 14, 15, 16 already there. Okay. 17, 18 here there. 17, 6, 9, 12. 17 not possible. 18, 19, 20, 24 already there. Okay. So students, now we check that out. How many factors now we got to now? Check now. Here you should write that. Now the factors are what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. 6 over here. Next 9, 12, 12 after 16, 16 after 24, 24 after 36, 36 after 48, 48 after 72, 72 after 144. Okay students, now these are the factors of the given number. So students, once you have to find out that how to find out the factors by this multiplication, you can both have the two factors. So remember students, this all should be in this. Okay students, now check that what is that. Find the next third question students, find the LCM of the following numbers. Okay, we have to find out the LCM. How can we find out the LCM students? You can do by the prime factorization method, you can do, otherwise by LCM also you can do. First of all, we can do by LCM, it is very easy for you. First you can take 2, 2 8 9, 2 9 ja, sorry, 3, 3 6 ja, 3 3 ja. Next 3 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 2 again 1 ja 1 ja. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Okay, 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 is equal to 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36. And then remember students, when one number multiple is another number, then that multiple is called as a LCM. So 36, 18 multiple is 36. So 36 is the LCM compulsory. Okay. Now friends, you can check this one also. Solution 8, 12, 36 LCM you should find out. 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja 18, 2 2 ja 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 1 ja 3 ja. Okay, now 3 2 ja 1 ja 3 1 ja. Now also 2 we can take. So hence what is the LCM friends? LCM is equal to multiply all multiply to 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 36 2 ja 72. Yes, so this is the LCM. So next friends, we can go for that find the HCF by prime factorization method. You have to do here by prime factorization method. Okay, so solution to students, first of all what you have to do, 624 prime factorization you do. Okay, so what you have to do, 624, this is one number, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 2 6 ja 2 7 ja 2 8 ja 2 3 ja 2 9 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. So what will I friends, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 3 into 39 13. Okay, same like we can write it 320 also. 320 also you will write, what you will get, 320 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 0 2 8 ja 2 40 ja 2 20 ja 2 10 ja 2 5 ja 5 1 ja 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 5. Okay, last one is 5. So what is the common factor you have to find out. That means common factor. So prime factors are finding after, you should make it round. So first number 2 is there, here 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 multiply 2, here 2 is there, here 2 is there. Next 3 not there, here again remain not there. So common factor what are the students? The common factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How much time? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So HCF is equal to HCF of 624 and 320 is how much? 16. Okay friends, same like it, we have to do the 72 solution. 72 is equal to 2 36 2 18 2 9 3 3. So what we can write friends, 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 36 also we can write it 2 into 2, here 2 to only 1 2 we can do it, 3 into 3. Okay, so now we have to do common factor. What are the common factors? You should make it round. 2 here 2, here 2, here 2. Okay, here 3, this is 3, 3 and 3. So what are the common factors? You can multiply. 2, we apply only round it. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 12, 36. Hence HCF of 72 and 36 is 36. Okay friends, now in the last bit friends, what are the three multiples of 7? So friends, multiples of 7 means 7 into 7, 7 1, 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 3, 21, first 3 multiples. So hence 7, the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21. Okay, so this such problems you should practice those friends for your exam. So make it perfect. Okay, thank you.